Ever felt that sinking feeling when you see the price tag on something you desperately need? Project managers, that feeling might hit you hard when looking at Asana. We all know it's a powerful tool, but is the cost worth it? Let's dive into why Asana can feel so expensive and explore some alternatives that might be a better fit for your wallet. Per user pricing, a double-edged sword. The biggest culprit behind Asana's perceived high cost is its per user pricing model. Unlike a flat fee, you pay per person using the platform. This makes sense for large companies with sprawling teams, but for smaller outfits or solopreneurs, it can feel like a punch to the gut. Imagine you're a team of 3. The free plan might seem tempting, but it has severe limitations. Upgrading to the basic paid plan, which unlocks essential features like timelines and custom fields, suddenly jumps to a per-user cost. For a small team, that can feel like a big leap, especially when you consider competitors with more generous free plans or tiered pricing for smaller teams. Minimum seat packages. The hidden cost. Asana throws another curveball with its minimum seat packages. You can't just pay for the exact number of users you need. Instead, you're forced to buy in increments, often of 5 or 10 seats. This might not seem like a big deal for a large company, but for a team of 2 or 3, it means you're essentially paying for unused seats. It's like buying groceries and being forced to purchase everything in bulk. Even if you only need a single item, it might feel wasteful, and that perception adds to the feeling that Asana is simply too expensive for your needs. Advanced features. The price tag climbs. Now, let's say you swallow the per-user cost and minimum seat hurdle. Asana does offer some fantastic advanced features, like workload management and reporting, in its higher tiers. But guess what? You guessed it, these features come with another price jump. While these features can be valuable for complex projects and large teams, for smaller teams with simpler needs, it might feel like a hefty price tag for functionality they won't even use. Is there a light at the end of the tunnel? So, is Asana a total budget buster? Not necessarily. If you're a large, well-resourced company with a significant team and complex project needs, Asana's robust features and scalability might justify the cost. However, for smaller teams or budget-conscious individuals, there are definitely more affordable options out there. Exploring the alternatives. Finding the perfect fit. The good news is the project management software landscape is brimming with alternatives. Here are a few contenders to consider. Trello. This popular tool uses a board-based interface that's fantastic for visual learners and agile teams. It offers a generous free plan with excellent functionality, making it a great choice for solopreneurs or small teams. ClickUp. This all-in-one solution boasts a wide range of features, including project management, task management, and even chat functionality. It offers a free tier with a surprising amount of power, and its paid plans are competitively priced with a per-user model. Monday.com. This highly customizable platform allows you to tailor your workspace to your specific needs. It offers a free plan with basic features, and its paid plans cater to teams of all sizes with a per-user pricing model. Ultimately, the best project management tool is the one that fits your specific budget and workflow. Don't be afraid to explore free trials and compare features before committing to a paid plan. Asana is a powerful tool, but its cost structure might not be ideal for everyone. Remember, there are plenty of fantastic and more affordable alternatives out there waiting to be discovered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.